And so it was the night that I went to Amaziyah the Great's movie preview on what was it called? At the Avon Theater. So I
And I'm here with the beautiful Miss Shahidah. Little state, big voices, always making the right choices. Tell them precisely.
And so I did go to the 48-hour movie project that Amaziyah the Great did. He did a poem called The Jamaican Poet. He did a short film. It's like 7, 8 minutes called The Jamaican Poet. Your son, Noah, was actually in it. But I was very impressed by all the films. It
Hmm.
takes a lot. That's a lot of work in 48 hours, but also to come up with the idea and then put it out there for everyone to see, and then to actually have something that you did show in an actual theater.
And I'm so happy to see you.
Honey, did you send the money?
Yeah, it was
Very
like
impressive.
honestly, I would think nothing less of Craig. Like Craig's trajectory right now was so like he's skyrocketing. So
Mhm.
it's not even a wonder to me. It's just like okay, trying to keep up with him.
About 5 minutes before closing time, my project was completed. And that's amazing.
Sweet, 5 minutes before close. That's cool.
Because he's
Mhm.
just doing so many great things. And then I guess they had like a voting process, and
Mhm.
then the final films are going to be viewed at another event later on. So we'll give more details on that.
And you have the opportunity, the actual winner, I guess the national winner can show their film in cons. So I
Crazy.
did not know that. So it was really good. I appreciated the invite, and I was really impressed by all the movie creators that night.
Hey Dad, how are you doing? It's been a while, I haven't heard from you.
I watch you on social media and I follow all of your live performances. And I can't wait to buy your book, Don't Cry.
Talking to the wrong guy.
Yeah, impressive, impressive. It was a fun activity. I'm glad I was part of it.
I know. Did you get to see the whole thing yet?
I have not.
Okay, yeah,
I
it
have not.
was.
I'm trying to play catch up, girl. You know, I'm trying to
Yeah,
play
I
catch
know.
up,
You've
but
been out there. You've been out there.
I will definitely see it. What's next? You were talking about
Films were just screened. 48-hour film project. Tell them precisely. It's a great way to get with all the sunshine we make. You know the journey continue. We never stop. Providence, Rhode Island. 48 films. Never stop. Tell them precisely. It's a